Ravichandran Ashwin was the standout performer for India in the second innings against England. The 34-year-old ended with 9 wickets in the ongoing first test, including 6 for 61, his 28th 5-wicket haul.
I've seen quite a few interesting observations on what people think of what might happen and what might not. But as a cricketer, that's the last thing that will go through my head. And for me, I'm, part and parcel of my club cricket days were like bowling 35, 40 overs in a day and probably go back to the net and again bowl. When it comes to bowling, it's the joy that I have out there in bowling. Even if some parts of my body are not responding properly, I can still keep going. That's how much I really love my art. And I wouldn't even go that route and think. My body is, today morning was pretty fresh again when I wanted to come out and bat. So I would think I just want to keep bowling as long as I'm bowling well. I mean, इंडिया नहीं है, सारे दुनिया में अभी ऐसे हो गया कि टॉस जीत गया तो मैच में बहुत बड़ा एडवांटेज मिलता है. बट हमारा जो ऑस्ट्रेलिया टूर में हुआ है, हम टॉस ही नहीं जीता है एडिलेड टेस्ट के बाद, बट फिर भी हमको मैच जीतने को मिला. बट I think this part of the world, even when England came last time, तब मोहाली में टॉस जीते वो लोग, उनका सपोर्टर्स ताली मार रहे थे, और ऐसे ही मुंबई में भी हुआ. बट it is a well known dynamics of the game, and I think प्रेशर में वापस खेलना, तब बॉल थोड़ा स्पिनर को मदद मिल रहा है, वो सब अलग अलग चीज़ है. बट आई थिंक दिस ऑगर्स रियली वेल फॉर द सीरीज टू गो फॉरवर्ड. हम लोग एक्सपेक्ट किया कि इंग्लैंड अच्छा करेंगे, क्योंकि वो लोग ऐसे ही खेल रहे थे लास्ट 2 साल से. थोड़ा नया टीम लेके आया स्पिनिंग कंडीशंस में, उनको अच्छा मैनेज कर रहे थे, उनका टीम कॉम्बिनेशन भी बदल बदल के खेल रहे थे. वो लोग अच्छा ही खेलेंगे टेस्ट क्रिकेट में, वो लोग भी अच्छा टीम है. सो हम लोग एक्सपेक्ट किया, बट आई थिंक इट सेट्स अप रियली वेल फॉर द फ्यूचर ऑफ द सीरीज. Look, personally, when I saw the wicket, I believed it will be a good one to bat. But I thought it might do a little more than what it did on the first day. It was really flat, and it was like a sort of a crucial toss for us, I would say. But I still thought we fought back really well through the course of the day yesterday, and even today we fought back pretty well. If we can have a good 5th day, we'll be quite happy to round off this test. So when he probably did that in the second innings, he was not at the same comfort level. I thought he was getting beaten in the flight, and it does make a difference when you play on a day 1 pitch and a day 4 pitch. There is a massive difference. It's not the same, because the pitch out here tends to get slower and slower, and the runs start to go a little squarer of the pitch, which is something that as a player from this part of the country I do understand, and that's how it works. Oh yeah. See, look, I think even in the first innings, Jussie got a couple of LBWs. I think he might have even dismissed Dom Best's LBW with the one that just probably stayed a bit low. There are a few things that we need to understand when it comes to Jussie's bowling. The arm path is very different to that of what Anderson and Archer have. And these two are exponents of the subcontinent conditions. They've been playing first-class cricket through in India. So I think it's a facet of the game. Sometimes it goes unnoticed or unobserved from the outside, which I think might not necessarily happen. Do you think the wicket will play nicely? I think the approach was something that we probably expected, that they will try and put probably 430, 440 on the board. So we were also trying to manage our overs accordingly. The recent success, or not sure, I'm not really sure about what went inside the dressing room, but I'd like to think in Test match cricket, the bowlers being tired and coming out to again wheel out another spell, all these things get factored in. Look, I think they had 2 options in front of them in the morning. They could have either asked us to follow on, or they would have, the only reasoning I can see is they wanted to give a bit of a rest to their bowlers, which is a part of the game that's not very well, sometimes that is not very well understood from the outside. So that could have been the thinking that's gone inside, wanting to bat again and give their bowlers an extended rest, because sometimes fresh bowlers can do the trick more than tiring bowlers. So that's all I can think of it.